Well, hey, it's Tim Gross, and it's that time of year again. I'm getting ready to head out for a summer tour. And this year, I'm going to be doing some gigs with John Cafferty. John Cafferty got really big in the 80s because he sang and wrote and recorded the music for the movie Eddie and the Cruisers, which was a really, really big movie. And the biggest song off that movie was called The Dark Side. And so that's what I'm going to play right now for you. And then I'm going to explain some things about it at the end. But I thought for people that just want to hear the song, I thought I'd do it first. So John Cafferty, always sounded great. He still sounds amazing. Really like what he does, and he's still going strong. Really looking forward to getting to play with him. So here's The Dark Side, and then I'm going to talk about the song and some little shortcuts about how to think about it in your head at the end, if you want to stick around that long. Okay, here we go. All right. Hey, so that was a lot of fun, and it's going to be a lot of fun to play. So I just wanted to show you a few things about the song because, just to explain things. But so it's really a three-chord song, 1, 4, 5, E, A, and B. But the chords that are going through that are E, A, D, A, E. And there's a couple ways to think about that. One, the A is the 4 chord of the E, 1, 2, 3, 4. But then the D is the 4 chord of the A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the other way to think about it is 1 chord, 4 chord, and the other chord being a whole step down from the 1, from the 8. So however you want to think about it. But these are the exact same chords that are also in the Romantics, What I Like About You. What I like about you, you hold me tight. And also John Cougar Mellencamp, R.O.C.K in the USA. R.O.C.K in the USA. R.O.C.K in the USA. Dark side's coming down, nothing is real. So when you get used to one pattern, that's kind of the whole point of my training is you don't have to relearn the wheel every single time. You get used to that pattern, and then you can apply it to a bunch of songs. And then when we go to the B chord, we play what's called a sus chord. Instead of playing the major or the minor, we go like that to what's called a sus4. And then same with the A, sus4 to the A, sus A major. And then the intro is just this. So it's playing the 5, the major 7 to the 8, then coming down like this. So you just got to get used to that, because obviously you don't want to screw up the intro when you're just playing by yourself, right? That would be a bad mistake. So anyway, really looking forward to playing with John. Really looking forward to playing his songs. They're a lot of fun, real upbeat, and like I said, he just sounds great. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So hopefully we'll see you out on the road. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.